Alright guys, so this is I just did a a JDM swap for my CRV. So the motor came from Japan, 60,000 miles. But the only thing that the Japanese motor doesn't come with, there's two things. It's the crank sensor, which is on the oil pump. It's connected to the oil pump. And on the back of the block, it has the knock sensor, which Japanese motors don't use knock sensor. So when you do a JDM swap, you have to transfer the knock sensor and the crank position sensor over. So I didn't. I did on the knock sensor, but not on the crank position sensor. So now I have a check engine light for this code. My scanner doesn't read what it says, but it's most likely going to be the crank position sensor. I haven't looked into it yet, but that's most likely what it's going to be. So it's not. You could swap over the oil pump, but it's going to be a lot of work. So we're going to try to take this check engine light off. Alright guys, so this is all you're going to need in the thermostat. You're going to need two of these to cut into the wire. You got to locate your ECU on the CRV. It's right here. So you got to take off the panel, and then from there you have to locate your pins, the ones that you need to cut for the bypass of the crank position sensor, and then we'll go from there. I will get some pliers, I'll take this off, and then I'll be right back. ECU cover. There we go. You just want to take this one off. Alright, so 22 is the blue one, but I'm gonna get the 29 first. So this one right here, you pull it out. You're gonna have to cut. You're gonna have to splice this one right here. And it's kind of hard. So you're gonna have to cut or splice this one right here, and then this blue one in red. These two. So you want to get a little bit of a slack, as much as you can actually. Alright, so once you have these two, you're gonna want to cut the blue one, so it doesn't, the signal just doesn't jump from one to another. Just cut it out like that, and it should be good. You're done with the first one. On to the next. And this one's a little easier because they're right next to each other. It's gonna be the white one right there and the black one, and you do the same thing. So I just want to cut a little bit after. There you go. That way the signal doesn't jump from one to another. And that should be it. Now you gotta put everything back and you're good to go. Let's see if this starts. Alright, so I didn't want you guys to see me struggle trying to put that thing back on, but it was kind of a pain in the ass. Let's see if this works. Don't judge me, my scanner is old. That's Old Faithful though. And if you guys remember, we had a check engine light for crank position sensor. Looks like we still got it. Not good. And then I'm a little late on my lunch, but it should be fine. So we're gonna clear all the codes. And that came off. Let's give it a shot. Beautiful. Perfect. And that's how you put a JDM B20 without a check engine light. going on my way to work. No check engine light. It actually feels really different. I don't know. I know it sees the signal for the crank spinning, but it's really, really different. So it's definitely a must if you're gonna do a JDM swap.